Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm going to walk you through how to submit your stipend packet to Appalachian this summer. We need your assistance in filling out this form. It is going to be either 2 or 3 pages depending on the route you choose. And we need this to be submitted to Appalachian office by the 22nd of June. So we need this to be in the mail within the next week. What we would love to have happen is for you to fill this out as quickly as possible, stuff it in that envelope we've given to you, and just stick it in the mail. It's already a prepaid envelope, so you shouldn't have any issues there. You have 2 options, as I said. The first is going to be that you can receive a paper check in the mail at the end of the summer. If you choose that option, then keep note that the address you put on here is the address that will be sent to. You cannot use a P.O. box. And if you choose this option, you will only fill out the first 2 pages. If you choose the second option, that is direct deposit. That's a new option for this year. And you will need to fill out all 3 pages. And when you return the form, you will also need to submit a voided check with us. So this is the form that you should have received. This is page 1. So at the top of every page, it will ask for your legal name. That's your first, middle, and last name. Fill out the state you're established in. We're just going through everything here that is highlighted in yellow. It should be highlighted in yellow on your form as well. These are all of the boxes that you will need to fill out. Citizenship and residency. Down to the second box, this is your street address. As I said before, do not list a P.O. box. Down to the bottom of this page, this is where you're going to choose method of payment. Would you like to receive that paper check, or would you like to do direct deposit and have it go straight to your bank account? Either one works. Whichever is best for you is what you should choose. Down here, the name of the individual completing the form will be the student's name, student's phone number, and student's email address, and then sign and date. On the next page for the W-9, fill out your name, first, middle, and last. Number 5 and number 6 will be your address. Part 1, we do need your full social security number, so please fill that out on the form. Part 2, we do need the student to sign and date for this. And then part 3, if you decided that you're going to do the paper check, you are good to go. And you don't need to fill out this page. If you do want to receive that direct deposit, then we need you to fill out this 3rd page and attach that voided check to this paperwork. So we're looking for your legal name once again, social security number, and the name on the account. The primary contact who's authorizing the deposit, so that will be the student's name, student's phone number, student's email. And then down in this next section, your new account information. You'll put your bank on there, your bank address. You should be able to Google the name of your bank and it should come up with an address. Then you can also Google the routing number if you're not sure what that routing number is. And you should know your bank account number because that is individual to each person. You will also select if you want this to be deposited into your checking account or your savings account. And then the next line says remit to email address. So in this first box, you will put your email address because someone from Appalachian will need to contact you to set up this direct deposit. So you do need to be on the lookout for your email and be paying attention to that. You can put an additional email address in the second box, and that can be a parent or guardian or anyone else that you choose. And that could be someone, if you don't check your first email, they would be able to check the second email and let you know, hey, we need to get this rolling. Then down at the very bottom of this 3rd page, you do need to check that that the money is not going to a foreign bank account, and then you will sign and date the bottom. And that is it. Very simple, straightforward, I hope. And you can always give us a call, shoot us a note if you have any questions on this. And I hope it works out well for everyone.